There's a man at the door. Sorry, there's a man at the door for you regarding the fridge. Hi.
Victoria?
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah.
That's odd. There's a man here to drop off a fridge. He said Terry, but these fridges are working, so that's bizarre. That's very odd. Yeah, there's a man who's just knocked on the door, and I've just had to knock on the door for Terry to drop off a fridge. So that's odd because the fridge, all these are all working. That freezer is working, and these two fridges are working. So I don't know anything about this. This is very bizarre.
On the bike there. In here, mate, please.
I didn't know this because the.
Where do you want me to put it?
Sorry, I'm just having to film everything
Yeah,
because.
in here, mate.
Just in there?
Yeah,
Thank you.
it's here. Anywhere in there.
Yes,
On your finger. You're going to collect it tomorrow, I think.
Perfect. There you go.
and that's odd because I didn't know the fridges weren't working. But
I'll leave you with your friend.
Thank you, mate.
Okay,
Thank
you
very
take
much.
care. Bye, bye.
Yeah.
Ta.
Okay.
Right, are the fridges not?
No, it's for somebody else.
Oh right, sorry.
And they were out, they were delivered here because they can't take it tonight and they're going to pick it up tomorrow.
Oh right. Oh okay. I'm a bit confused about that because oh well, the fridges are working, but Like the man at the door said it was for the main kitchen, but that's odd. I don't know anything about this. But then Terry and the landlady are Terry says he never speaks to the landlady. Obviously all these lies that are flying around, just like these fruit flies. Just like, look at this is just so gross, look at this. I mean, who has the key to this window? As I keep repeating, the police officers, Daniel and Stephen, kept saying that the landlady had the key to this back door. Because obviously, as tenants, we pay rent for access to the patio. And several times those police officers said that she had the key. And then Terry said to look on the windowsill. So either he or Dion, these troublemakers, put the key back, and I've still got to get the key cut. The landlady sent me a text message cheekily telling me to put the key back immediately, despite the fact that she had ignored text messages from me. So these two, I don't know, it's very bizarre all of this, but it's all very, very, very bizarre. So I don't know if that's a fridge for we've now got a fridge and an oven in the living room, and still got all this lot outside. What's going on? Yeah. So, but I haven't had a problem with the fridges. I had a problem with one of the ovens, and then there's the replacement oven was iffy. It only worked on one setting, and then they started complaining. But they start complaining when you start complaining, and then making up stories. It's all just a little bit crazy in here. So I'm glad I've just filmed that though, because I didn't expect that. But those fridges are working fine. They're absolutely fine, so I don't understand that. Freezer is fine. This fridge is working. As you can see, the light's coming on, it's working. This fridge freezer that I cleaned out and labelled, and I sent emails to Victoria showing that I cleaned it out, and she thanked me. And I'd labelled it because there was mould. This was an old fridge freezer, and it's fine, it's working. I cleaned it out, I labelled it, that's my room, and it works. This was the old fridge freezer that was over here, and then they moved it over here, plugged it in. The maintenance man Darren and his father watched me cleaning it out. So why is there a new fridge? But it's a bit odd. But like with all the odd behaviour in this house, I don't